Hi, in this video I will show you how to generate rare TikTok username. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your browser and search for rare TikTok username generator and search for it. Once you will search for it, you will see multiple websites here. You have to click on this, on the third one. So once you will search for it, you will see page like this. Write any name here, like I write John here and tap on the generate. It's processing. Now you will see John Sweet, John Star, John Serious, John Agostic, and these are the name are recommended. You have to copy name and open your TikTok mobile application and go to the discover and paste that name here and search for it. Now you will see recommendation. So this name is not so perfect. Go back and copy other name and now paste it here and search for it. So you can use this name as your TikTok username. As you see, there is no profile with that name, so you can copy this and now create an account with this name. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.